Nokia has been one of the most trusted brands among people for years. If you've also been waiting for an amazing 5G smartphone from Nokia, that's super affordable yet packed with premium features, then today we've got something special for you. This incredible smartphone comes with a 150 megapixel DSLR camera and a powerful Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 processor. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia X500 Ultra 5G. So, if you're excited to get your hands on this beast of a phone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we'll be diving deep into its full specs, price, and launch date. So let's start. Features of Nokia X500 Ultra 5G. Display. Let's talk about the display first. This stunning smartphone flaunts a 6.75-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with 2K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a 360Hz touch sampling rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Plus, it's protected by Gorilla Glass armor, and comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP69 rating for ultimate durability. Camera quality. Now, the camera setup on this phone is next level. It features a triple camera system, with a primary 150 megapixel lens, backed by a 64 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 12 megapixel depth lens. And for selfie lovers, a 64 megapixel front camera, that's ready to capture every detail. Processor and performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset, ensuring blazing fast speed and seamless multitasking. And yes, it runs on the newest Android 16 right out of the box. Battery and charging. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia X500 Ultra packs a massive 7500 mAh battery, with 120-watt fast charging support, and a Type-C charging port, so you spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Price and launch date. Finally, the big question, how much will it cost? Well, this powerhouse is expected to be priced around $850. And as for the launch date, Nokia is set to unveil it by the end of this year.